This is a short tutorial about how to create a checklist in Desire to Learn. In order to create a checklist, you want to go into the Course Tools tab and down to the Checklist Manager. Once you're in here, you can create a new checklist, and to give your checklist a name, save. Once your checklist has a name, you'll need to create items and categories within your checklist. You have to have at least one category, and then your items can be from there. You can create a category by either going to an item and creating a new category from within an item, or you could create a new category from the category button. I'm going to call this category General Activities. I'm going to save it, and you'll see that that shows up down here. Now I'm going to create a new item, assign it to my General Activities category, and call it Checklist Item 1. Now I could give a description of it here if I'd like, or I can just leave it as Checklist Item 1. I can also assign it a due date if I want to give that option. Lastly, I can display it in the calendar for the course if I wanted to. So once I save that, you can see that it's created here. If I want to preview it, I could go to this arrow up here and go to the preview, and that's going to pop up what my checklist looks like and tell you when it's due. So I'm going to close that down. This looks good to me now, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. So my checklist is added right here. Now I'm going to go back into my course content. I'm going to add a new module. We'll call it Module 1. Save that. And from here, I'm going to add a quick link to my checklist. I'm going to tell it which checklist I want it to be. Insert. And when I insert, it's now going to ask me to choose which module I want, or alternatively I can add a module. Module 1. Save and close. And now my checklist is right within my Module 1. If I wanted to create my modules first, I could create all my modules, all my checklists, and then go through just like that and add them to it. If you need more help with checklists, you can check the Desire to Learn help documentation by clicking on the Help tab in your Desire to Learn course.